In this video, we reveal the top 5 drones of 2025, comparing their strengths and weaknesses to help you choose the right one. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo with RC2. Props lightweight, under 249 grams, easy to travel with, 4K HDR camera with 3-direction obstacle sensing. Fly More Combo includes extra batteries and RC2 controller with screen. Coins flight time around 34 minutes, not the longest. Small sensor means low light performance is limited. Number 2. DJI Air 3 Fly More Combo with RC2. Props, dual primary cameras, wide angle and telephoto, excellent battery life with up to 46 minutes, reliable 0.4 transmission system. Coins heavier drone may require registration in some regions, higher price than Mini 4 Pro. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3 Pro Fly More Combo with RC. Props, triple camera system including Hasselblad main sensor, professional image quality in 5.1K video, long-range transmission and excellent build quality. Coins premium price tag over $2,000, complex features may be overkill for beginners. Number 4. Parrot Anafi. Props, compact foldable design, easy to carry, 4K HDR camera with 180-degree tilt gimbal, lightweight, and quiet operation. Coins older model compared to DJI drones, limited flight time and fewer smart features. Number 5. DJI FPV Explorer Combo. Props immersive flying experience with DJI goggles, Integra 4K, 60 frames per second video with low latency transmission, emergency brake and hover function for extra safety, unique FPV perspective that standard drones cannot match. Coins shorter flight time than regular camera drones, steeper learning curve for beginners, higher risk of crashes if not careful. Props, autonomous flight modes, follow me, hover and orbit, palm takeoff and landing, very beginner friendly, pocket size and easy to carry everywhere. Coins shorter flight time around 20 minutes, not designed for professional cinematography. Final verdict. If you want portability, choose the DJI Mini 4 Pro. If you want the best balance of features and flight time, go with the DJI Air 3. For professionals who want the ultimate image quality, pick the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Parrot Anafi is a great option for travelers and casual flyers, while the DJI FPV Explorer Combo is best for hobbyists who want an immersive first-person flight experience. Thanks for watching Smart Choice Reviews. Remember to subscribe, like, and share for more product comparisons and reviews.